In this video, I'm going to show you how to install apps on iPhone without Face ID. When you go to the App Store on your iPhone, you'll be prompted to confirm that you want to install the application on your iPhone using your Apple ID or Face ID. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Face ID on your Apple Store before you can install an application. So the first thing you want to do when you want to disable Face ID on your iPhone before installing an application is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and click on Face ID and passcode. Now type in your iPhone passcode to unlock it. There you go. Locate iTunes and App Store and turn that off. Now disable iTunes and App Store. Go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings, scroll down and show screen time. Click on content and privacy restriction. Then tap iTunes and App Store purchases. Type in your screen time passcode. Then choose don't require password. Now again, go back to the settings page. On the settings page, click on your profile icon, then click on media and purchases, tap password settings. Now click on require after 15 minutes, then tap on the double button at the top right. There you go. Then you can then return to your App Store page and then download this application, and the application will be downloaded and installed on your iPhone without password. So find this video interesting. You want to hit like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.